Passes are you doing?
2 pass.
Okay, cool.
But,
You have everything done except for the roof?
Yeah. We're working 50-50 on the roof, but just about everything else is all done.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We are here to show you what's in the shop. We're gonna stay in the building because if not, we're gonna get very wet very quickly because it is a downpour outside. So right here, Patrick is working on a paint correction on a Subaru. This one's just getting a correction, no coating. We do like a DIY spray when we do that, just so it has some sort of protection when we're done, but it's not like a full-blown coating. In the wash bay, GLE 63 or 53 or 53. This car got paint protection film on the front end. It's getting coated as well, Patrick? Paint correction and a coating on that one. Yeah, the paint on that one is pretty rough, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it needs a lot of correction. This one also got a paint correction. Yeah, I didn't, okay, so both of these were just coatings. Same customer, right? Thought so. And this is probably the biggest project of the week. This is a full color change vinyl wrap, so it's white, and it is going to 3M matte black metallic. So it looks matte black, kind of looks gray, because there's like silver and gold metal flake. It's obviously very dirty from us installing, but it's going smooth. Hopefully in the next couple of days that will be done. We're also gonna tint the windows on this. Up on the lift, we've got a Tesla Model S. Steve had trouble getting this thing into drive. If you've never driven a Model S, the shifter is a swipe with your finger on the screen. And so, it didn't used to be like that. The old S's, I think, had a stock, if I remember correctly. So, Steve just hadn't been in one yet, so that was funny. Paint protection film on the front end, as well as the rear impact areas, is going down right now, and it got tinted this morning. More paint protection film. Steve is currently installing the rocker panels on this F250, 350, some kind of Super Duty. We did the full front end and the rockers on this for our friend Brad. Aaron's stealth wrap is coming along on his ZL1. He's out for vacation this week, so he's slowly but surely making some progress on that. Terrell just finished up a big, beautiful Super Duty. Did it leave?
Yeah, we did sunroof, visor, and a front 2 windows.
Cool. Yeah, so beautiful truck, weird color. Have you ever seen that on a Ford?
No, that's one of the newer colors.
Okay, yeah, it was like an Earl Grey. Probably don't have any pictures of it to show you, but. And then outside we have a few things, but like I said, we're not gonna walk out there. I don't have a raincoat on me. We have a Tundra. That one's getting ceramic coated. The Subaru that's right beside the Tundra, that one got a ceramic coating or is getting one as well. Up front, we've got the Huracan and the GT3 RS you guys have seen. The GT3 got a full wrap coating and a windshield protection film. The Huracan got some pieces replaced. We'd previously done a full wrap on it that got damaged. So that's it for what's happening here. I know Gibsonia is absolutely slammed. They're pushing hard to hit a goal, and they're gonna do it. Let's see what's happening up there.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up, we have a 2024 Porsche Taycan. As you can see, this is the frozen berry paint. And thanks to XPEL Stealth, it is now a satin finish. So really, really unique look on this. It's a one-of-a-kind paint job, rare paint job, I should say. And now it's even more rare with the fact that it's stealth. We also tinted the side windows and the back window of this vehicle in our Prime XR 35%. Next up, it's a completed ceramic coating on this Porsche 911. This was in the shop last week on What's in the Shop, and I mentioned we did the PPF on the front of the vehicle, and we were gonna begin the polishing. Polishing is now done, the coating is now done, and it's ready to go into winter storage, and I'll be back on the road in the spring. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on a 2016 Ford Escape. People oftentimes say that coatings and PPF is only for high-end exotics. That is not the case. We do a lot of daily drivers here as well. We got this red paint polished out, applying the coating as we speak, and we'll wrap this thing up in the next day or two. In the tint bay, we have a dump truck. This one is a 2023 Ram 4500. We're tinting the 2 front windows on this in our Prime XR 15% tint, full windshield as always, and a clear tint only. So that's gonna help block out some heat, some UV rays, get that cab nice and cool for the customer here. In the back, we have a Cadillac CT5V. This too was also in the shop last week. Did a full wrap on the entire body. Customer came and checked it out, loved the work, and decided, hey, you know what, let's protect this wrap with a Fusion Plus coating. So that is why it's still here. We're gonna get everything wiped down. It is a bit dusty, it's been done for a few days. Coat the body, all the paint protection film, pull off the wheels, take care of the wheels and calipers, and get this thing coated. Back in the back, we have another full stealth wrap. As you can see, we do some minor disassembly, things like the taillights, the door handles, the mirrors, just to get those edges nice and tight. Here we have a 50-50 shot. The door is done. It's kind of like a frozen paint versus the gloss white C-pillar, I believe you would consider that. So Protecting the entire thing, it's obviously a Raptor R, hence the decals on the side there. We're also tinting the side windows and back window in our Prime XR 20% window tint. Outside we have another full stealth wrap. This one fresh from Tesla Wexford. So brand new vehicle here, 2023 Tesla Model Y. He loves the vehicle but does not love gloss paint. So we're going to protect the paint and also give it a satin finish with stealth. We are also tinting the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield in our Prime XR 20% tint. On the sides and back, windshield is 70%. So this is our third full wrap of the week, and number 4 is going to be a Bronco that is arriving at some point tomorrow. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Let's have a look inside and see what the guys are working on this week. Over in our PPF bay, we have Amari finishing up this full front clip. Customer is wanting some protection on his brand new 2024 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 53. Beautiful vehicle. Definitely made a wise choice, getting that X-Belt protection. We also have this 2021 Tesla Model Y in for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. All right, today we have this 2021 Ferrari F8 Spider. Customer came in for some tints, went ahead and did the windshield 55% ceramic, of course, and he went with 5% on the side. Car looks immaculate. Spectacular job.
Guys, that's it for what's in the shop. We thank you so much for joining us today. If you like what you saw, give us a like, hit subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. Until next time.